everyone who's in the stock market and trying to figure out this rally today to go listen to the Micron call, because there's a moment in it where you, Sanjay, say that, and I'm going to quote, supply chain, the bottlenecks, they are easing. You were using the term easing. No one was expecting this. You dropped that positive bomb. I need you to flesh it out, because if supply chain is easing for auto, then you know this is the most important bottleneck in our economy.
Supply chain is easing in certain pockets of the market because of a lot of investments the semiconductor industry, including Micron, have put into our supply chains. And we expect supply chain to continue to ease gradually all throughout calendar year 22. Some shortages may still continue, but as new products, new technologies get introduced into the market, it's possible that some shortages will still continue, but some shortages have improved. So yes, we expect easing of shortages through calendar year 22, and easing of shortages will be a tailwind for Micron demand, because our customers have been constrained in terms of how much product they can ship into their end markets, despite strong demand in their end markets. And as supply chain shortages improve during calendar year 22, gradually all throughout the year, that will release pent-up demand for memory and storage. This, along with, as we discussed earlier, the secular demand drivers of cloud, electric vehicles, 5G, 5G across even industrial applications. Yeah. All of this will continue to drive greater demand for our products. Key for us is to continue to execute. And of course, we rely on macroeconomic environment to continue to stay favorable as well.
Sanjay, when it comes to the macroeconomic environment, though, there's a lot that's uncertain, including how quickly this Omicron variant is spreading around the world and the impact it will have on your forecast for supply chain. Are you taking that into account? How can you? And I just wonder how that aligns with what is a positive view you just shared in terms of 2022 on supply chain.
So I think if you go back over the last 2 years and look at what Micron has done to invest in its supply chain, build redundancy, our global manufacturing footprint has been a tremendous plus, a competitive advantage for us, a diversified global footprint. We have continued to deliver successfully to the needs of our customers. And of course, the demand for technology products has continued to grow with the COVID variant. In some markets, it really accelerated demand. In some markets, for a certain period of time, it may have slowed down demand. So of course, the Omicron variant, we will continue to monitor it. But the point is that our supply chain is well prepared. And we have seen over the course of the pandemic that the demand drivers are strong. And ultimately, they are secular in nature as well. So we do expect continued strong demand. And Micron has shown that we can adapt quickly to the changes in the marketplace. And we will continue to monitor. And to the extent that Omicron impacts macroeconomic growth, then of course we will have to make adjustments accordingly.